Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to transfer Spotify playlist to Apple Music on PC. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update, TuneMy Music is a third-party online service that allows users to transfer playlists between different music streaming platforms, including from Spotify to Apple Music. These steps below are a general guide based on the process as of my last update. So the first step would be open your web browser and go to the TuneMy Music website link in the description below. Now, on the TuneMy Music homepage, choose Let's Start or a similar option. Choose Spotify as the source platform and Apple Music as the destination platform. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize TuneMy Music to access your Spotify and Apple Music accounts. Choose the Spotify playlist you want to transfer to Apple Music by checking them. Once you've selected your playlist, click on the Choose Destination or similar button to begin the transfer process. Then log in your Apple Music using your credentials and hit enter, and there will be a two-factor authentication sent out to your iPhone, so take note of it. The transfer process may take some time depending on the size of the playlist, and make sure you are subscribed to Apple Music, otherwise it won't work. TuneMy Music will notify you once the transfer is complete. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.